Hello, welcome back to the Half Thumb Homestead. So today I want to talk a little bit about the pressures that I use on my filter housing. Now I think they're like PPE 105s, and there's 4 of them in there. It gives me 420 cubic feet of water. And when I start it up, it typically runs about 10 psi, 10 to 12. And that's with brand new filters. Now, I'm not sure what a DE filter does, so if somebody does know, hey, comment below, let everybody know. Changing the filters is not how I lost my thumb. So when I'm running between 10 and 12 psi, I know my system's running really good. I came out yesterday and it was down to about 2. So what that tells me is there's an intake problem. So either the pre-filter's clogged, one of the Jandy valves is clogged, or the skimmers in the pool themselves are clogged up. And yes, I had leaks in my pool here, all fixed. If you run high pressure on this, let's say when you initially start your pool up, you want to, with brand new filters, let everything get running for, I don't know, 20 minutes or so, and then set your gauge. It has a start, so set your start number on whatever number it sits at in its happy place. And that gives you the baseline. So then it gets up here, I think it's around 10 psi higher. It tells you to clean the filters. That's typically what happens to me, about 10, 12 psi, normal running psi. When it gets around 18 to 20, I normally take the filters out, clean them or replace them. Now I just clean them with my little pressure washer. I have a cheap one that I bought at Harbor Freight that puts out about, I think it's max 1600 psi with a straight needle. I use the fan option and kind of just clean the dirt off, clean out the filter housing and put it back together. If they're collapsed or they're coming apart, the rings around them, the pieces are coming off that little ring, I typically replace them. So low pressure, your pre-filter is clogged and there's no water getting inside the pump. That's if your pump's running low pressure. If you're running high pressure, that means your filters are clogged, or the outlet from your pool filter going to your pool is clogged somewhere or plugged up. So low psi intake, high psi outflow. Just a couple pointers for you. Probably the same with the DE filter. Comment below. Thanks for watching. Half Thumb out.